what our body is continually doing. It's continually cleaning. We put a lot of toxins in. So whether we eat those toxins, whether we breathe in those toxins, we drink those toxins, toxic thoughts, all of those things contribute to our toxic load. And if your body is not processing that as well as it should be, and you don't have your liver working really well, you're not moving your body, moving your lymph around, you're going to start seeing signs of things changing in your body. Yes, it can be weight gain. It can be stiffness around your joints. It can be your eyesight as well, that extra swelling. It can be cellulite sitting in those pockets that we don't want it to be. It could be swollen ankles, soreness. You might not recover from injury as well as you used to. So a lot of these things everything is related to lymphatic health.